Are you struggling with your credit score? In 2025, your credit score is more important than ever. It decides if you can get a loan, buy a car, rent an apartment, or sometimes even get a job. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your credit score fast, avoid the biggest mistakes, and get your finances back on track. What is a credit score? So, what is a credit score? It's a number between 300 and 850 that shows how good you are at managing credit. 300 to 579 is poor. 580 to 669 is fair. 670 to 739 is good. 740 to 799 is very good. 800 and above is excellent. The higher your score, the more money you can save on interest rates. How to build credit fast. Here are 5 proven ways to build your credit score fast in 2025. KeyCap 1. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is 35% of your credit score. Even one late payment can lower your score. Set reminders or use autopay to stay on track. KeyCap 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Don't max out your credit cards. Try to use less than 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your limit is $1,000, keep your balance under $300. KeyCap 3. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member or trusted friend with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their card. You'll get the benefit of their good credit history. KeyCap 4. Open a secured credit card. If you're new to credit or have bad credit, use a secured card. You deposit money as security, but it works like a real credit card. It helps build your credit safely. KeyCap 5. Check your credit report for errors. Go to annualcreditreport.com. Make sure there are no mistakes on your report. If you find errors, dispute them immediately to fix your score. Mistakes to avoid. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid when building credit. Don't close your old credit cards. It shortens your credit history. Don't apply for too many new cards at once. That causes hard inquiries. Never ignore your debts. They don't go away on their own. Building your credit score takes time, but if you follow these steps, you'll see improvement faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next vid.